Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 3. I made part 1 that made this, and I made part 2 that I made this one with a little bit rounded corners. And if you didn't watch those, are some of maybe my best patterns I've ever made. But we can make it look different like this. Once you've drawn it, I always keep like an extra copy. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate that guy 45 degrees. Now I'm going to take my square and we've got two objects selected. I'm going to go up here to intersect. Now that line comes up, but that line is just something a little bit off. No problem. Take the shape tool, get one end of the line and hit delete. So we're going to make this 4 inches. My nudge factor set on 4. This is not even the same one I did. Maybe it won't really matter too much. I'm going to go ahead and weld those to make sure it works. And it did. Then Control D and move it over twice again. So, this isn't going to be too much different, but it is going to be different. I'm going to weld those, hit the plus key. Look at the big square in the middle. Totally different. I'm going to weld these. I'm going to make it yellow, take away the outline, bring in a black box effect, and look at that. Just by angling it at 45 degrees. And this looks like this would be extremely difficult to make. But as you saw, it was really easy. I wish I had originally, this one right here had lines that actually kind of met up at a point. But you get the idea. Anything that you could rotate at a 45 degrees and then copy it, and you could go back and put something in the center of there, if you wanted to. But that's a pretty cool pattern. I've been having a lot of fun over the last couple of days creating these, and hope it helped you a little bit somehow. And thank you for watching.